Hello YouTube, Dion from Natec Tech with the unboxing of the Time Zone. That is a really large mousepad by Natec that comes with really great features. It is a rubberized base. This is a waterproof treatment and an edge stitching on each side, so you can feel that this is a premium product for a really low cost. Given its size, the political map and the unique time zone artwork that fits on almost any desk, Natec has some really nice products here. You can check this time zone and others on their website. Now here we have the product information in different languages, as well as the product specifications here at the end. Now this is ideal for both laser and optical mice, so this seems like a really great product, at least on paper. And the great thing is that it also has a 2-year warranty, as any product should in Europe. And now, without further ado, let's open the box and check closely the product itself. That is a really inexpensive product and certainly one that you shouldn't miss for your desk and for your working space. Now here it is rolled up, and let's open it up. Now this feels really well made and it doesn't feel cheap at any way. The artwork is really great and it's looking just fine. The letters print is really clear, and you know what, this is also really educational and useful. And you can check just a fragment of the size of it. Just let me give you a perspective and a clearer view. Something like that. Not for tiny desks, that's for sure. You can see it fits almost a whole desk. You can have your keyboard and mouse on top of it. Now at its base we have this rubberized finish that is anti-grip, and the edges are stitched together, so this won't wear off easily. The surface is also waterproof, so any spillage on top of it of water or any liquid can be easily cleaned, and this waterproof treatment gives it this glossy look that feels really premium and really nice to the touch. Also great for sliding your mouse on this surface, and overall I think this is a really great product. So feel free to subscribe, leave us a like, and as always from Natec Tech, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.